So here is how we can find uploaded videos on YouTube. So let me talk about it. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So of course we need to find the YouTube app. If you don't have it downloaded, just get it from the App Store. It's obviously free and you can get inside like this and you can browse your account. So in the bottom right corner, you can tap on the U section of the profile in there, and you can essentially just go in here and just browse your channel. So you can see this is my channel. I can go to the videos and here are all of the vids which I have uploaded to this channel, right? So that's pretty useful and everything, but you can as well tap on your videos right there, and then this is going to show all of this stuff as well. So it just kind of like jumps right in there for you. However, if you switch to the analytics mode like that, you can see all of the different things about it. So you have like a little bit more information about this, and that's how you can see not only the amount of videos, but also the amount of views. However, you can as well go to in-depth analytics with advanced controls with the YouTube Studio app. So you can tap on it like this. And if you don't have the YouTube Studio, make sure you get it from the App Store, as this is like the creator app for YouTube. So it's going to give you even better details and insights about your channel. So you have to open it up like this. You can see that it loads up with the same information as such. And I can go to the content below and here see all of my videos. So even those which could even be like not published, just uploaded or unlisted and everything, this is where I can browse it, and it's giving me a nice breakdown of how it can work. So I really hope that I was able to guide you through it and explain it. If it's your first time in here, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you later in the future uploads as well.